So today we are going to do a role play, like every day, but anyways, but I'm really sorry for not posting for I don't even know how long, a month. I just have not been motivated at all, and I have been sick. I did decorate a little bit for the New Year's, and yes, I got Toca.kami on my new iPad. Well, my iPad's not new, just I got it last summer. So yeah, I'll get rid of that. But yeah, anyways, let's get into the roleplay. Also, when I was getting the packs on my new iPad, I don't have as much packs as I did on my old iPad. So I'm sorry if the house looks a little bit different. I tried to make it look mostly the same. Anyways, today's video is gonna be called The Car Accident. Now let's get into the roleplay. Excuse me. Yes. Okay, so this is her new room. This is Hazel's new room. Yeah, it's hopefully good. Also, guys, I did have to change Hazel because I don't have any clothing packs, not even the character creator upgrade. Oh, what is my camera doing? Why is it making that rainbow looking pattern? What the heck? Hey, I'm actually kind of, what the heck? Girly, what are you doing, camera? Okay, but anyways, let's just ignore that. But I had to change Hazel because I don't have any packs, character creator packs. So this is what Hazel looks like now. I will change her back to what she looked like before. When I do have enough money to buy all the character stuff. So yeah, this is what she's gonna look like for now. And also, I know she does look a little bit like Sophie from Toca Blair's channel. I did get inspiration for the hair, but everything else I did. Oh, and I got inspiration from Toca Blair for the skin color. Wait, no, Toca.kami, I think. Anyways, now let's get in the video. Bing, 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 bing. Bro, who is texting me right now? It's literally 9. Okay, whatever. I'll just answer. Everyone's texting me so much. Oh my gosh, stop it. I'm literally gonna eat you. Okay, finally, I put my phone on. What the heck? I put my phone on silent. What are they saying? Oh, they want to call me. Okay, I'll call her. Bing. Bing, bing, bing. Oh, yeah, you called me back. Yeah, I did. What's up? Well, I just wanted to ask you if you could go to the mall today. Wait, no, not today. Girl, it's literally 9:30. Oh, not today, girl. No. Tomorrow? Yeah, sure. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I think I'll be free. Okay, perfect. Do you want, my sister to pick up? She just got her do you want my sister to pick you up, you and me up? She just got her driver's license, so she can drive now. Oh, yeah. Finally, your parents always have to drive you. Us. Yeah, I'm so glad. Yeah, your sister's literally so nice. Okay, do you want us to pick you up at like 5:30? Yeah, sure, that'd be okay. Okay, bye. Bye. Yes, I'm so excited that I get to go to the mall with my bestie. It's gonna be so fun. We can like pick out outfits for each other and everything. Well, I guess I have to get ready for bed now because like it's really late. Wait, no, that doesn't go in there. Put that there. Okay, I'm just gonna get in my pajamas and do my skincare and stuff. Pajamas? These pajamas are literally so cutesy. I'm gonna eat them. Put the glasses up, up, up in the drawer. Let's go. I don't really want to do my skincare, so I'm just gonna brush my hair. Oh, and it's upside down. Of course it is. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna brush my hair. That's it. And also, we're not gonna talk about how it was daytime. It was nighttime the whole time. Yes. Yes, it was nighttime. Turn off the laptop. Oh, okay, but no, it looks ugly. Okay, perfect. I got that summertime sadness, so, oh. It's so wakey. Okay, I have to stop. Oh my gosh, isn't it Saturday? Why do I have an alarm set? Oh yeah, I know why. Oh, shiver me timbers. No. Oh yeah, I'm going to the mall with Bestie. Oh wait, no, that's Bestie. Okay, well I better get dressed. Oh my gosh, why are her... Sit down. Yeah, I did it. Today I'll just wear this. Perfect, I look so good. Gonna brush my hair. I'm just gonna put on mascara. I don't really want to put on that much makeup. Yes! Yo, my mom just walked in. I love my mom. Yeah! Okay, anyways, that was so random. Okay, I'm gonna do my skincare. Wait, why am I... Wait, what the heck? Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna do cleanser. Toner. And moisturizer. And I think that's all. Oh, wait, some perfume, because, yeah. Get over there right now. Okay, you know, that's gonna have to work. And I can't get mad about it. I'm so mad about it. What the heck? I sound like Kermit the Frog. Kuta, ta. Oh wait, I need a purse. I need my purse, even though I literally have a purse right on my shoulder. But we're not gonna talk about that, okay? 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 Yeah. Get the purse. I found it. It was buried in all of this, I guess. Okay, all I'm gonna pack is my phone and my wallet. Okay, let's go now. Let me out. Now I'm just gonna eat breakfast. Let me go, please. Let me go. Oh wait, I'm right there. Okay, let's go. Okay, I don't really want to eat, but I'll just eat this donut, I guess. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Where's my heart? Oh yeah. Let me out. Ah. That was my Apple Pencil that just fell. If you were wondering, you probably weren't, but you know, whatever. I don't have like a house for the cars. I'm gonna make one real quick. These are all the car seats, right? Hopefully. It's gonna be a giant minivan. Actually, no. Gonna be kind of tiny. No, that lightly. Oh, that's someone throwing sadness. Someone throwing sadness. Oh. I see, nothing scares me, and it's Morris. Oh, wow. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything is alright. Oh, wait, are these clear? Okay, yes, bougie. Bougie. Woo. Oh, that's not so much oil. Whatever, let you know what I guess. Let you know what I guess. Okay, let's put those there. Okay, now we're gonna look. I don't really know. Okay, wait, where are the cards? Oh, those weird lights. We need those goofy lights. The goofy lights. These are goofy lights. Put it exactly on the other side, you know? And we should put these on the floor too. Because, yes. Well, actually, we should put them on the driver. Because, like, we don't want them to crash. We should do these. Let's see, like, okay, overthinking. These are some get out of me, my way. But I don't know where. But I don't know where. Light is down. And the nose running down. This is my way. If I be showing up over your town. I don't know. Why? I don't know. Okay, I just made the car. I know it's, like, kind of bad. Wait, I need to change the wallpaper. Because, like, cars have really weird specific walls. Okay. Oh, and I need to like, make this green. Maybe like that. And then we can do like, make me right. Okay, the walls of cars are like, really weird looking. Well, like my car. This is one of the cars that I've seen been in. So like, if you don't think this is how cars look, this is how cars look. I don't know. Okay, I can't find, most cars I see have like a black carpet, but I can't find one, so we're just gonna do brown. And then we need that weird wallpaper. I think it's free, yeah, this. Oh, wait, you can't see what I'm doing. I did this outside. And I'm just gonna put a tree. No, not a tree. Okay, you still can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Well, yeah, I just did this. Okay, let's go. Okay, I also had to change her best friend. So this is her best friend now. Yeah. I think she's still pretty. Oh my gosh, my camera is doing that like rainbow thing again. Oh wait, it's not there anymore. Get in, losers. We're going shopping. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Got the charger. It's fine. My iPad charges in like 2 seconds. Don't worry. Let's go. See, I told you. See, it's on now. Please tell me the Toca saved. I'm scared. I'm still scared. Please. Don't blow up now. Yay! Okay, anyways, get in, losers. We're going shopping. Get in, losers. We're going shopping. Okay, yes, Regina George. Let's go! Vroom, 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 vroom. Why is the car making that noise? Don't worry, it's just because the car's a little bit old. The engine is like weird or something. I don't really know about this stuff. Okay? But like that's all I really know. Oh, okay. Pow! My Apple Pencil just fell again. I feel like I need to put like grips on this thing or something because it keeps like slipping out of my hand. Like I don't know if it's like because it's like really heavy or like I don't know, it's just slippery. It might be both though. Can you put on like a song or something? Yeah, what do you want? Cat's Eye. Alright, bet. Everything's gnarly. Honey, like a bag of cookies on the... What? But I do it my way. Oh, I can't do that voice anymore. Now what noise is the car making? I really do not know. Guys, it's fine. Okay. Oh no, this road is a little bit icy. Bang, 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 pow. gosh, what the heck just happened? We slid on the ice and we lost control. What the heck? I'm shaking. I'm gonna call 911. Beep boop beep boop bop boop beep boop boop. 911, what's your emergency? Pretend she has a phone, okay? Okay. So we kind of like split off the ice and like tells the 911 kid the whole entire story. Oh, okay, we'll be right there. Wait, I meant, oh, okay, I'll be right there. We'll be right there. Thank you for your report. Bye. Guys, stay calm, stay calm. Well, can we at least still go shopping? I'm probably getting my driver's license taken away for like an entire 5,000 months. It's the police. Is everyone okay? Yeah, everyone's okay. Just not the car. We're gonna have to take you all to the station, and we're gonna have to take y'all to the station and call your parents. So like, who are your parents? Me and hers parents are these people, and her parents are, who are your parents? These people. Okay, those people and those people. Perfect. Now let's take you guys to the station. Okay. Okay. Come on, guys, let's go. You guys can sit right here, and I'll call y'all's parents. Okay. Okay. Bling, bling, bling. Bling, bling, bling. Hi, it's the police station. Are we in trouble or something? Pretend the police is like talking to Hazel's parents. Are we in trouble or something? No, it's actually your daughter. What did our daughter do? Well, she was in a car crash with her friends, I think, and they slipped on the icy roads. It looks like her friend's older sister was driving. Oh, okay, we'll be right there. Okay, I'm gonna call, y'all's parents next. What is your name? My name is, Claire, and my name's Nobody Knows. Okay, I'm gonna call Claire and Nobody Knows parents next. Bling, 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 bling. I swear my loyalty to me, myself, and Emma. Okay. Bling, 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 bling. Hi. Hi. Are we in trouble? No, your daughter, Nobody Knows, and your other daughter, Claire, with her friend, your daughter, Nobody Knows, was driving, and they accidentally, slipped on the icy roads. We would like you to pick them up. Your daughter is gonna get, a ticket because, like, they were, like, driving without an adult because they just got their driver's license and stuff. But, yeah. If you want, like, no tickets, you can just, like, pay a fine. Yeah? Oh my gosh. Nobody Knows is gonna be in such big trouble. Thanks for telling us. Yeah, no problem. Bye. Bye. Oh my god! Nobody knows. What did you do? I'm sorry, okay? I didn't try. You got us a ticket! You're grounded from driving and from your phone for a whole month. What? I'm kind of like, yeah. Come on, Let's go, Claire. Yeah, okay, let's go. So when am I getting picked up? Oh my god, Hazel, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Yeah, Mom, I'm fine. Oh my gosh, okay, I was so worried about you. Come on, let's go. Oh, okay. Anyways, that's the end of today's roleplay. I hope you enjoyed, and this took so long to make, so I hope you liked it a lot. Yeah. Anyways, bye.